Assalamu-Alikum everyone. Here is the video of the project I made. I'm going to give you an overview of this project I made. It is a little website that I made with the web development languages, that is HTML, Java and CSS. Means first we have here is code HTML. I've put this code, you can check it out. We can change the name in this if you want, and then have is CSS and Java code. Okay, I'm going to show you my website 11. Okay, let's change something in this. There is a name I give my website is Armystagram, so I'm going to change it. So I'm going to change it the index HTML. Uh, here I write the name. I'm going to change it. I'm going to give the name is simple website test and save, and here it is. It got changed. So we have the code and we can change it. I will go. We can check the notifications as well. Here I put the notifications in the code so I can check here, and the messages bar is also here. Some messages are popping up and some I have already read. See, and some are the friend requests I have not accepted, and these are the videos I can play. Okay, I'm going to play it now.
अम्मी ये चावल का चम्मच पकड़ा है
Like the Fifth Avenue diamond.
Okay, that's it. And we have other posts and videos, and these are the stories that you can see in Instagram as well. That's it. That's a little overview of my website, and now I'm going to show you my next project, that is called a game, simple game, Flappy Bird game. So I'm going to show you.